Hey guys, and welcome back to another video vlog. So today, ako pala si Barney. And, charot lang. Actually guys, it's my rest day today. I mean, it's my off. Yes, wala po akong pasok ngayon sa trabaho. So, tinatamad ako. Meron akong gustong gawin na hindi ko alam. Alam mo yun, for me, it's a lazy day. Pag rest day yata, lazy day. Para may magawa naman ako ngayong rest day ko kahit papano. What I'm doing right now is I'm uploading some videos in YouTube. There. Kung nakikita nyo. And kung mapapansin nyo, ngayon lang ako nakapag-update ng video because nawalan po kami ng internet connection this fast few days. I mean, I think it's almost 3 days na wala kaming connection dito sa bahay. So, ayun, tumawag kami sa customer service ng Bayantel. Actually, Globe na sila ngayon eh. Ayun, ang sabi nila is meron lang daw inaayos and then hindi nila alam kung kailan yun maayos. So, ayun guys, wala kaming ginawa kundi antay na lang and tanggapin na ganon. Dahil kahit magpuputak-putak kami sa kanila, I mean kahit magalit kami sa kanila, wala talagang connection. I mean, wala talagang net. And yes, ang kailangan natin gawin is tanggapin na nga lang. Yes, acceptance is the best policy. Actually, meron akong gustong gawin ngayon, guys. Matagal ko nang gustong gawin to. And I think this is the right time. Pipilitin kong maging, magawa siya ngayon kahit medyo I'm feeling lazy today. Yes. Yung gusto ko palang gawin is from boy to girl transformation makeup tutorial. Yes, and I'm planning to do it right now. So, naghahanda lang ako ng mga gagawin. And then, papakita ko kung paano ako gumawa ng video. I mean, nag-set up ng video during my makeup tutorials. Yes. So, later, kakain lang muna ako. So guys, bago ako kumain, ang ginawa ko, niready ko muna yung mga gagamitin ko mamaya. I mean, yung mga kailangan kong makeup. So, ito lang yung, actually, ito lang talaga yung makeup ko. Pero meron pa ako sa cabinet yung mga kakabili lang. I mean, hindi ko pa talaga siya nabubuksan. So, I think hindi naman siya kailangan dito. So, ito. Ayun yung, halos lahat ng makeup ko yan na guys. So, yeah.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So guys, tapos na ako kumain and then naghilamos na rin ako. I mean, naglinis na ako ng face. Then naglagay na rin ako ng lenses. So, next natin gagawin is magsi-setup na tayo. And then after that, let's do this. So, ganito lang yung setup ko tuwing nagme-makeup tutorial. Before nga, laptop yung gamit ko, but now. Then, ito. Yan, naka-ready na yung mga makeup. And then, wala pa talaga akong gamit. I mean, yung mga gadgets ko, hindi pa ganun ka-high-tech totally. That's why, ginagamit kong pang lightning is this one. Yung LED lang, then, inaano lang siya sa power bank. So, ayan. And then, since wala akong tripod, ang ginagawa ko, this one, meron akong sirang monopod. And then, nilagay ko dyan sa bote. Tapos, ganyan lang. Pero na nagpaplano na akong bumili ng tripod. And since wala pa akong camcorder, ito munang iPhone 5S yung ginagamit ko. So, pag nakaluwag-luwag na, ayun, pwede na tayong bumili. Kaya, let's do this. So guys, ganito po yung setup natin. So, kung napapansin nyo, ang ganda. Kahit pa paano maganda yung lightning effect. So, ito na, magsisimula na tayong mag-makeup tutorial. Of course, abangan nyo na lang to sa aking YouTube channel. So, see you in a bit.
2,000 years later.
So guys, tapos na ako mag-makeup tutorial. And, yes, tinanggal ko na rin yung wig and false eyelashes kasi medyo mabigat siya. I mean, it's awkward. Abangan nyo na lang yon. So, kung anong naging final look ko. So, tignan nyo guys, ang kalat na ginawa ko. As you can see, it's so messy. Yeah, so, kailangan ko din, kailangan ko din siyang ligpitin. Kasi, you know, baka magulat yung mga tao dito sa bahay. Ano nangyari? Baka sabihin binagyo. So, yun lang naman. So, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I mean, my video blog. And please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, you can share this video. And if you have comment, yes, if you really want to put a comment, just put down below. You know where to put it. And yes, yan na, unti-unti nyo nang nakikita yung totoong itsura ko. Which is nakita nyo naman. So yun lang po. Thank you so much guys. Bye.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me.